enough that we can do it encapsulate with your liquid and powder, velvety gels, and gel extensions, as well as acrylics as well. So if you have a clear acrylics or you have a light pink, you can definitely use with this. So cool. And also you can do it with your gel extension. And it is, I think this is the Illuminating is Diamond Dust Pixie. Curious. I can't see off on that one because it's covered. I'm going to open this one. Thanks so much, everyone, for tuning in. And it's the Illuminating Diamond Dust Pixie. All right, it's tight, though.
Got it?
Yeah. Ooh, this is so adorable. Can you see it?
Uh-huh.